Hello guys, attach this bra cup with me. Yeah, this is called foreign bra cup. It's an ready-made cup. All you just need to do is just to attach on your dress. This is me using my pen to hold it down to the dress so that when I want to use my sewing machine to run a stitch, it will be stable. It doesn't need to move up and down. And as at the time I recorded this video was I think around 2 a.m. I was very tired and sleepy, but I just had to do what I have to do. So this is me sewing it on the seam allowance of the breast dart. It is very easy to do. All you just need to do is just to secure the cup to your dress with an office pin, so that when you want to run the stitch, you just have to run it once. It won't be difficult for you to stitch. So this is me running to the other side. And mind you, I made a mistake, or an error occurred when I was stitching this particular part. Instead of sewing on the seam allowance alone, I mistakenly sewed on the dress. And you sew it on the dress, if you are not careful, you might end up tearing your dress. So I had to use my office pin to pick the thread one after the other. Then I want to rerun it again. You see, thank you for watching. Bye.